I'm going to temper white chocolate. When I'm finished tempering it, I'm going to put it into a bag and pipe it. I want to make swirls to overlay on a cake, which will be easier so they'll be exact. I've tempered my hot chocolate. Now I'm going to make appliques out of the white chocolate, and I'm going to place them on a cake. So now I'm going to apply this on the parchment paper. This will harden with a shiny coat, and it'll be easier to do it this way than applying it directly on the cake. It's all this little fine detail work. You can see the work that's been done, and now I'm going to carry on and finish the rest. I've tempered the white chocolate. I've made the appliques. Now these will go into the fridge to cool off, and then I'll put them onto the chocolate cake. I'm now going to apply the white chocolate appliques to the cake. I'm going to remove another chocolate applique. Because it's done on parchment, it's very easy to remove. But because they're so fragile, I have to handle it very carefully. So far, so good. Okay, so now I've got the border done, and I'm going to add the 71 in because this is a birthday cake. And there we have it. Now I'm going to decorate the side of the cake with some hearts. I've got different hearts filled in and open hearts. So I'll go around the cake applying these. Certainly hope I have enough.
Okay, that turned out great.